Hello everyone, welcome to Business Northeast. Today we are here at CRED Expo 2024. Come, let's explore their business perspective. Firstly, welcome to Business
Thank
Northeast.
you.
And it's a big congratulations. Firstly, you have organized such a big event and a new initiative. So I would like to know about the today's event that you have been conducting.
Okay, so as you all know, we have the organized Crete Expo 2024. So basically, we are an NGO.
Okay.
We have started in the year 2014, and this year we have completed 10 years.
Okay.
And we work dedicatedly towards women and youth empowerment.
Okay.
We work for their we promote them and give them a platform. Like that's the main objective of this whole expo is to promote them, like to give them a market linkage, to connect them with government agencies so that they can in long term they can get benefited from them. And since here we have total 60 stalls, and moreover beyond this expo we have also conducted workshop and training programs.
Okay, training programs to
Yes.
this group of people.
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Okay.
Like we have conducted natural dyeing workshop.
Okay.
It is a 3-day workshop. We have started it from today,
Okay.
and the second one is like food preservation, on food preservation. So that because we have set the registration fees in a very minimum rate,
Okay.
because nobody can afford, like
True.
people who are like not that much privileged, they can't afford, but they have the skill.
True.
So we want to nourish their talent. We want to give them a platform so that through this they get a
They
bigger
get a
scope.
they get a bigger
scope.
platform.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so nearly how many participating stalls that have come across, and different are these stalls only based from Northeast or from the different parts of Northeast?
Yes, actually, we have total 60 stalls,
Okay.
as I say, and we have from Kashmir, from Rajasthan, and we have from like Rajasthani pickle. They have come from Rajasthan,
Okay.
and we have Korean jewelries. We have Bangladeshi saris, and Punjabi kurtis. We have.
Okay.
So because we have given this platform to the local as well as the entire northeastern region.
Okay.
But beyond that, to encourage them, we have called upon the national entrepreneurs as well
Okay.
across the entire country,
Okay. Okay.
and
So
also from international as well.
okay, so it's
Yeah.
a amalgamation of
Yes,
different
yes.
people across
Yes.
different horizons.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so we have seen that there are sponsors, government agencies that are funding you since you are a NGO based. So
Yes,
what is the support from the government? Is there any funding or sponsorship on
Yes,
their
yes.
part?
Actually, Star Cement, Netfi, DC Handicraft, and one private company, Navangpur, they have sponsored us. They have also participated. As in to say, they have sponsored us through participation.
Okay.
Yes, and also we have deaf and dumb entrepreneurs as well.
Okay.
They are very talented. We have given them a scope as well.
Okay.
And yeah,
So it's like you are connecting people from different
yes,
horizon. Okay.
yes,
So
yes,
since we have seen a vast participation of people, nearly about 60 stalls being
Yes, yes.
participated. So at revenue that has been estimatedly generated in this event.
We have actually through sponsors, we have cost almost 10 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 lakhs. Like we can't say estimated because since we are an NGO, we actually got sponsored and sponsors and help from government.
Okay.
And since as I said, we have workshops.
Okay.
So Star Cement have given us the beneficiaries. Like
Okay.
they bought the students
Okay.
from because they have they also work towards this cause.
Okay.
So they have helped them, and in this expo they have basically given this platform to them. So it's a very good opportunity from them as well. They can upscale themselves.
True.
And also we have many talented people within us.
It's a platform that we
Yeah.
are giving. So we know that CRED is something that is connecting people across different horizon, and you are a platform that you are providing space. So what are the future plans of CRED?
Actually, since we work on in the entire northeastern region, we will be working beyond that as well. And moreover, through this expo, we are planning to give training programs. We will conduct workshops, more workshops at a very minimum rate, so that, as I said, in this expo, since it's a 12-day expo, we have conducted only three days workshop.
Okay.
Because we can't like organize the entire 12 days, right? So that is why after this, we'll be again conducting workshops. We'll be like go to various places across the entire northeastern region, be it Dibrugarh, be it Mizoram, be it Arunachal.
Okay.
We will go
So
there.
you want
yeah.
to spread cred and its
Yes.
initiative across
Yes,
different
yes,
northeastern regions.
And moreover, since this is our first ever initiative, we want that because we have now got sponsors from Star Cement, Netflix, DC Handicraft, and also one private company from Nabampur. But we want more sponsors because our vision is very clear. We want to help others. We want to upscale them. We want to like give them this platform so that they, in the long term, they can get benefited as well as like they have a development in their like whatever they do. I mean, be it business, be it
An all-round
anything,
development.
yeah. All-round development.
Yeah, cred wants to be that
Yes.
source. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.